How's it going, everyone, and Happy New Year? I know it's been a while. I hope you all have been doing amazing. I've been slacking on my educational videos here on YouTube, but that's about to change. So make sure you turn them notifications back on, hit the thumbs up, and let's go with this video. I think you're going to like it. This video is one of the top strategies I'm using in 2026. I know you see a couple different ones here on the screen, but the one I want to discuss is trading supply and demand. In this video, I'm going to focus on a trade I took today, kind of talk about that, stop loss, all the good stuff, so stick around till the end. So during my live this morning, I told everyone I really like this supply up here for a possible reject. Oh, look, the new dashboard's confirmed a bearish delta divergence, and VIX has confirmed. Interesting. I'm going to talk about how I'm going to implement this as well to make my trades even higher probability. So we pushed up, right? Let's talk about the push up here. One thing I want to see when we're pushing up into supply for a short entry is lowering volume. So we can check that box. Another thing on the confirmation candle, I want to see higher volume. And we had higher volume than the previous. That's not ideal, but it's good. The higher volume, the better as far as your confirmation candle. You don't want to see a high green volume going into supply. That's a red flag. And I actually took 2 trades here. So I'll kind of tell you how I managed this one. I did make one mistake during this trade. I wish I had waited on the 50% retracement of this confirmation candle for my full position. I ended up getting in my average around the 40s, I believe it was. Anyways, we got one trim off and it hit our entry on the remainder of our position. We made money, but could have been more. Now let's talk about, I'm going to talk about 2 different trades, but let's talk about the stop on this. The way I see it, you got a few different options. I'm going to discuss 2 here. You could set your stop, hard stop, above that confirmation candle. If it breaks above that, you can say, okay, trade's invalid, or wait on the 5-minute close. The 5-minute close has been working well for me recently. So just manage your risk how you see fit. Just don't allow, don't let it get out of the hand. Like if it breaks above your confirmation candle and it starts ripping up, at least keep a hard stop at the top of the zone. You got to protect your capital. So I got in this trade, trimmed, got stopped on the remainder of my position at entry. I ended up re-entering and catching this move down to, I think I got out completely around like the 25,680s. So it was a solid trade. Both of these are recorded on my YouTube, by the way. You can go watch the live from today. But I want to talk more about how I plan on trading supply this year. And if I haven't, if we catch a nice trade in demand, I'll make a video on that as well. But you should understand by the way I trade supply, how I trade demand. The same way, just, shorts versus longs. So we got lowering volume coming up into this hourly supply, which Grizzology creates for me. We had the higher volume candle, perfect trade. We wait on the retracement of if there's too much risk on the initial close. We know where we're going to set our stops, where it invalidates. Remember, ideally we get into the trade as close to our stop as possible, okay? Less risk the better, in my opinion. Now, I want to talk about how I'm going to implement this dashboard into supply and demand strategy for you all. So what this does, it tells me if there's a delta divergence, whether it's bullish or bearish, and I have the added confluence of VIX confirming with it. It didn't happen in this case, but I've seen it play out a lot this way, just to run you through what the A+ setup would look like to me. I'm going to push up towards supply on lowering volume. No major green candle, right? I want the confirmation candle to have higher volume. I mean, at least higher than the previous. The more the merrier, okay? And I would like to see bearish. It's trying to confirm right now. I'm not for sure if it will, but it's trying to confirm right now. I want to see bearish divergence on the delta, and I want to see VIX confirm. To me, if we have all 3 of them lining up, that's A+ setup in this current market. That's it. Very simple strategy. Thankfully, Grizzology does a lot of work for us during the lives. We don't have to do all the charting like we used to. If you have any questions about this, if I left out any fine detail that you can't search on Google or whatever, feel free to reach out to me in the comments on Instagram or join my lives of the morning, which, start roughly around market open, sometimes a little earlier. So 9:30 a.m. ET, do daily Q&As there. Would love to have you all. Bring good vibes. Yeah, this is one of my top strategies going into 2026. Let me know what you think in the comments. Catch you next time.